Alright guys, without further ado, let me show you the unboxing of the Bold N1, my latest addition to the budget phones. Check out my other video where I am actually putting all three side by side. This is the box, the top cover, and the bottom. Just took them apart so you can see. The specs are there. As you can see, I'll try to read them out, but they glare with sunlight. It has like a little kind of rainbow glare to it. A nice box. So I have here they give you this screen protector there, which is like a good kind, and then some headphones. They're weird, but they're okay. You know, usually Blue, when I get phones from Blue, they pretty much hook you up. Standard stuff, brick, headphones, your gel case is always nice to have, your little guides there, even for the rats, so they can have their meal there if they wish to try to get into your phone. Nice cable though, I gotta say, this is a really nice cable. It shines, and let's see if it glares at night. They give you the little sticker, your ejector, and finally, let me get to the main course. There's like a little platform there where they give you all the things for the phone, and they even give you this little like cover to protect your phone. At this video, I'm not gonna do the full presentation of this phone, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna work on it because there's a lot of features to it, including the selfie camera, which is inside. I don't know if you can see from here. It is kind of bulky, you know, it's kind of on the heavy side, but what do you expect for a phone that packs all that stuff in there? So thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this unboxing. Try to be a little brief and at the same time show you what you want to know. So just stay tuned there, and I'll do a more thorough review and more nicer video showing you all the specs for this phone. Get it while it lasts. Like I said in the other video, it was kind of hard to get because the demand is pretty high. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Give me likes or whatever you want to do on the channel, and we'll keep in touch.